What's up, everybody? This is Danny from Valve Solutions. Today, what we got is a 2014 Toyota Avalon. What we did is a factory integrated remote start digital system. So, customer has a stock remote. Now, the customer is able to do two things: either start the vehicle with the lock button 3 times, or the customer also opted for a 1 mile remote. So the customer could do either or. Now, this one is a two-way 1 mile, so they can do either or. So let's go ahead and demonstrate off of the factory one first. Let's go ahead and lock it 3 times. You saw the parking lights right there, and give it a second start. There you go. It's going to run for 24 minutes. After that, it will turn itself off automatically. Now, with this, with these other remotes, you are able to turn it on and turn it off from the same remote. So let's go ahead with the secondary remote, which is a non-2A, 2,000 foot range. Let's go ahead and push and hold it. Turns it off as well. Now, for this Toyota Avalon, there is no takeover. So, hate to say, when you start the vehicle, when you go up to the vehicle itself, open up the doors, the system will turn itself off. That's just how it is right now. It's all due to software. It's the vehicle, if it sees more than one key at one given time, it thinks it's being stolen. So that's why there's a good amount of vehicles that do that. So in order to prevent the computer from going haywire, it turns itself off as soon as you open the door. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, hey, give me a call, 708-538-8008. Visit our website, valvesolutions.com. Make sure you follow us on our YouTube page, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you.